Auroville, City of Dawn, a place where the sun rises not just on the horizon but in the hearts of its people. Even the name makes you think of new beginnings, of a world filled with the golden light of hope, a place where every sunrise brings a promise of a better tomorrow. And tucked away in the Tamil Nadu area of South India, this experimental town truly shines with a dreamlike feeling. It's a sanctuary of innovation and harmony amidst the lush greenery. Started in 1968, Auroville shows how much humans want unity, peace, and a world without fighting. It stands as a testament to our collective aspiration for a harmonious existence. Imagine a place where people from over 65 countries live and work together, a melting pot of cultures, ideas, and dreams, all converging in one place. They all share the same dream: human unity, a dream that transcends borders, languages, and backgrounds. Auroville is more than just a town. It's a big experiment in what humans can do. It's a living laboratory for sustainable living and innovative architecture. Here it doesn't matter where you come from, what you believe, or your political ideas. Everyone is welcome to contribute to this grand experiment. A new way of life begins here, a way of working together, respecting each other, and taking care of our planet. It's about creating a sustainable future for generations to come. Auroville makes us ask a big question. What if we could start over? What if we could rewrite the rules and build a society from scratch? What if we could build a city based on peace, protecting the environment and helping everyone be their best? A city where the well-being of the planet and its people is the top priority. What if, in this special place in India, we could see a brighter future for everyone? A future where hope, unity, and sustainability are not just ideals, but a way of life. The story of Auroville is the story of the woman who dreamed it. Mira Alfassa, called the Mother by her followers. Her vision was not just a fleeting thought, but a profound aspiration that she nurtured throughout her life. Born in Paris in 1878, the Mother always searched for spiritual truth. From a young age, she felt a deep connection to the mysteries of life and the universe, which set her apart from her contemporaries. She eventually traveled to India, following the teachings of Sri Aurobindo, a famous philosopher and spiritual leader. This journey marked a significant turning point in her life as she found a kindred spirit in Sri Aurobindo. Sri Aurobindo believed that human minds could grow and change. He envisioned a future where human potential was limitless, and this idea resonated deeply with the Mother. He believed in a future where humans would be even better than they are now. This belief in human evolution and progress became a cornerstone of their shared vision. The Mother shared this dream. She dedicated her life to making it a reality, inspiring countless individuals along the way. Together, they imagined a place where people from everywhere could work together to make this happen. A place where unity and collaboration were the guiding principles. That's how Auroville was born. It was envisioned as a universal town where men and women of all countries could live in peace and progressive harmony. Not as a perfect place, but as a living experiment. Auroville was meant to be a dynamic space, constantly evolving and adapting. It would be a place of constant learning and trying new things, where people could explore what humans are capable of and work towards a better world. A place where innovation and creativity were encouraged. The Mother wanted Auroville to be a place where old fights were forgotten, a sanctuary where past grievances were set aside in favor of mutual understanding and respect, a place where people lived peacefully with each other and with nature. Harmony with the environment was as important as harmony among people. A place where people focused on growing as individuals and helping the whole community instead of just getting rich. The emphasis was on collective well-being and personal growth, creating a balanced and fulfilling life for all. In the center of Auroville is the Matrimandir, a beautiful golden sphere that looks like a symbol of hope rising from the ground. It's more than a building. It's a quiet place for thinking, where people can connect with themselves and something bigger. The Matrimandir's design is amazing and meaningful. Its round shape represents how everything is connected, and the golden discs on the outside reflect the sunlight, creating a peaceful feeling. Around the Matrimandir are the homes and work areas of Auroville, a mix of gardens, farms, workshops, and experimental houses. Here, people try to live in a way that protects the environment. They use renewable energy, grow organic food, and try to keep nature healthy. If you walk through Auroville, you'll see and hear people from all over the world. You might hear Tamil, French, German and Japanese. You might see kids from different countries playing together, their laughter filling the air.
Sometimes it felt really hard. We were trying to build something completely new, something no one had ever seen before. It wasn't always easy.
Building a new society is never simple, and Auroville has had its problems. From figuring out how to get the land to dealing with people who didn't believe in their dream, the community has had to overcome many obstacles.
What keeps us going is knowing that we are part of something bigger than ourselves. We are working towards a future where everyone can live together in peace. That dream is worth fighting for.
But through everything, the spirit of Auroville has stayed strong. They faced problems with courage and never gave up. The community has learned to change and grow, finding strength in their shared dream. Green shoots, global vision. Today, Auroville shows what people can do when they work together. What started as a dream has grown, with over 3,000 residents and more people joining from around the world. You can see how much they care about the environment in the beautiful green landscape, which is very different from the dry areas around it. Auroville has over 4 million trees planted by residents, turning a once empty place into a thriving ecosystem. But Auroville does more than just help its own area. It's a place where new ideas are born, from building eco-friendly houses and using renewable energy to improving education and healthcare. Auroville's schools are known for their creative teaching methods, focusing on learning by doing. They have also created new ways of taking care of people's health, mixing modern medicine with traditional healing. The next generation. As Auroville enters its 6th decade, young people are taking the lead, bringing fresh energy and new ideas to the community. Growing up in the community, these young Aurovillians have a special way of looking at the world, shaped by the ideals of unity, sustainability, and human potential. They are deeply connected to the environment and committed to making a positive impact.
Growing up in Auroville, says Anya, a young entrepreneur who runs a sustainable fashion business, taught me to respect the environment and believe in the power of working together. It's about creating something meaningful and lasting. Now, we can build on what others have done and take Auroville into the future. We are innovating and finding new ways to solve problems, ensuring that the community continues to thrive.
This new generation understands technology, is connected to the world, and wants to make a difference. They are tech-savvy and use digital tools to enhance their projects and collaborations. They're using their skills to tackle big problems like climate change and inequality, and they're working to improve education and healthcare. Their efforts are making a tangible difference in the community. They are finding new ways to use renewable energy, grow food sustainably, and deal with waste. Their innovative approaches are setting new standards for sustainable living. They are creating new ways to learn and start businesses, helping people succeed in a changing world. Their entrepreneurial spirit is driving economic growth and social change. And they are using technology to connect with people around the world who share their ideas, building understanding and working together. This global network is fostering collaboration and innovation on an unprecedented scale. A city taking shape. If you walk through Auroville today, you can feel the energy, the feeling that this city of the future is becoming real. The early years were all about trying new things and learning from mistakes as residents built a new society. But now, things feel more permanent. Buildings stand tall, roads are built, trees have grown, providing shade. The city that was once a dream is becoming a reality. There's a vibrant feeling here, a feeling that life has meaning and purpose. In the cafes and restaurants, people talk and share ideas, enjoying tea and wanting to make the world better. In the workshops and studios, artists and entrepreneurs put their hearts into their work. And in the faces of the people, you see the hope that makes this place so special. It's a hope that goes beyond countries and beliefs, a hope for a future where everyone can live together in peace. A seed of hope. Auroville is more than a city, it's a symbol of hope for all people. It shows how much humans can achieve and that a better world is possible. It reminds us that even when things seem impossible, we can still succeed. When you leave Auroville, you take with you a sense of hope, a renewed belief that we can create a fairer and more sustainable future. Our world has many problems, but Auroville shows us that change can happen. One person, one community, one act of kindness at a time. Maybe, just maybe, the hope that started in Auroville will spread throughout the world, creating a new beginning for everyone.